Today we're discussing wiring a plug. In front of me, I've got a 3-pin plug. It's square. And I've got an LED light. It's got a 3-core cable which goes to the 3 pins of the plug. As you're preparing to wire a plug, you need to take note of the colors of the cable. On this cable, I've got 3 different colors: yellow, blue, and brown. On this cable, I've got 3 different colors. This cable is green and yellow. This one is red, and this one is black. When you're wiring a 3-pin plug, the yellow or green cable is earth. The brown or red cable is live, and the black or blue cable is neutral. To begin wiring a plug, you need to remove the cap from the plug. You need a screwdriver to remove the screw on the cap. Once we've removed the cap from the rest of the plug, you'll notice on the inside that we've got a fuse, which is connected to a connector, and we also have 2 other connectors, one for the earth and one for the neutral. There's also a green link which holds down the cable. This screw is for holding the cap to the rest of the plug. Now we're going to begin by loosening the grip so that we can slot in the cable. Once the grip is loose, the cable can smoothly go into the plug head. Once the 3 cores of the cable are in, you can now fasten them to the appropriate connector. I'll begin with neutral. Neutral is blue, and it goes to this pin of the plug. That's the neutral. Live is always fused. After connecting the neutral, I'm going to connect the earth. Yellow is earth. And finally, I'm going to connect the live, which is fused, and there we have it. We've connected the plug. You can see that the neutral is connected to this pin. The earth is always connected up on top, and live is the fused connector. After we finish connecting, we're going to screw in the grip so that the cable does not move. And finally, we put on the cap and screw the plug together. Now there we have it. Our light is now fused. Goodbye.